Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. And today in this video, I'm going to give you the list of Frescoplay courses by doing which you can improve your T-factor score up to 1.99, which is nothing but the first milestone. And these courses are absolutely without hands-on. I did all these courses and improved my T-factor score up to 1.99. As there is no hands-on, you can complete all these courses easily and you can improve your T factor easily. So before moving into the video, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. And coming back to our video, we all know it is important for every TCS employee to improve their T factor score. For most of the projects, they will also include this T factor score as a goal in appraisal process also. So for that, we need to improve our T factor anyways. And we also know that nobody will have that much patience and time to learn the content from that courses from doing those from Frescoplay and doing hands-on on those. So no worries, I'll give you the list of Frescoplay courses and almost all of them can be completed without hands-on only. And most of those courses can be answered easily from Google, or I have given most of answers for the most of the courses in our channel also, so you can follow them. You can easily improve your T factor score. So here is the list of Frescoplay courses without hands-on. So guys, these are the courses which you can complete without doing any hands-on and improve your T factor easily up to 1.99. You can easily reach the milestone. So if you feel this video is useful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more information like this. Thank you.